Hello, my name is Marchetti Gold and this is my YouTube channel. Today I will buy a cryptocurrency and show how it can to do on the trading platform eToro. In the trade market we choose the crypto section, where several cryptocurrencies will be available. Today I will buy the cryptocurrency Litcoin because it has a good price. Today Litcoin price is $138. I think the price of Litcoin will soon grow up. When you open the detailed Litcoin view, you can see statistics for several months or years. Such statistics allow you to decide whether to buy or sell a particular cryptocurrency. I think the price of Litcoin is very good right now and should buy. It is possible to buy Litcoin units or invest a certain amount of money. I will buy 10 Litcoin units today. The transaction must be confirmed by pressing the Open Trade button. I have now bought 10 Litcoin cryptocurrency units. In the portfolio section you can see all active trading transactions. You can view more detailed information by clicking on one of the transactions.
Thanks for watching the video.